Watch, if I press your stomach. Whoa.
Say hello. Oh, that was good.
What? Oh, God.
Well, that's okay. I would like an owl here.
Is that amount of time to reinstate or assess in this case to a new prosecutor. We'll have involved from okay?
Just smiling and farting. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Good job.
With the little bonnet. Oh. Oh no!
You're pooping. It's okay.
No, it's a good one. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Isabella. Isabella.
Oh, that was a big one.
Squeeze the fart. Squeeze it. Oh. 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 Squeeze the fart out. Squeeze it out. Yes, that's a good fart. Oh, there's another good one. Yeah, good farting, buddy.
Where's Riker?
Where's the baby?
Uh-oh, where'd Riker go?
Riker! There he is!
I told you not to feed Hogan.
Brown bear, what do you see?
Okay, get your feet.
He's a giggle box. Don't forget.
You're gonna play the basketball game.
Oh, you got it. Did you eat it? Oh, don't eat that.
You gotta roll it. You can't roll over it, Sugar Bush.
I can't.
You can do it. You just gotta push. You're silly.
Dad, you must fart a lot.
You want me to do?
On the float thing on.
Why?
Because.
Because why, sweetie?
Oh, because I'm taking a poop.
And why do you need the what do you call it?
The float thing on. Then you turn that on.
Yeah. Why do you need it on?
Well, because I'm going to poop.
So it don't think?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Kaden, what's wrong? What is wrong with you? You like the food?
Ew. Ewy. Oh. Ew. Ewy. Ewy. Ew. Ewy. Is that funny? You laughing at brother? Ew. Ewy.
Do 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 do. Say happy birthday, Uncle Brian. Do 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 do. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay. Huh? Is that all the smile you're gonna give? Is that all the smiles? Is that all the smiles? Is that all the smiles? Come on. Oh, you can do better than that. Give him a good one. Give him a good one. Yeah. Give him a good one. Oh, so excited. So excited. Come on. Ah. Oh. Oh. Give him a good one.